Hold on to your hats, folks, because the world of conversation is changing faster than the speed of light. We're talking about ChatGPT, the AI chatbot that's got everyone buzzing. From writing poems to coding websites, this language model is making waves in every industry imaginable. ChatGPT can write stories, translate languages, and even answer your burning questions about the universe. It's like having a super intelligent sidekick available 24/7. But how does it work? What are the costs? And what about the potential downsides? Buckle up as we explore the fascinating world of ChatGPT, where science fiction meets reality. Get ready to have your mind blown. Imagine a brain that has devoured the entire internet, absorbing information like a cosmic black hole. That's ChatGPT in a nutshell. Built on the GPT-4 architecture, this large language model uses deep learning to understand and generate human-like text. Think of it like this. ChatGPT doesn't actually understand language in the way humans do. Instead, it's a master of probability. By analyzing massive data sets of text and code, it learns to predict which words are most likely to follow each other in a sequence. This allows ChatGPT to generate eerily human-like responses, crafting stories, answering questions, and even composing music. It's like having a digital Shakespeare at your fingertips. Who are the geniuses behind this revolutionary technology? Meet OpenAI, a research company with a mission to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. Founded in 2015, OpenAI has attracted some of the brightest minds in the tech world. From tech titans like Elon Musk and Peter Thiel to industry giants like Microsoft, OpenAI has garnered support from those who recognize the transformative potential of AI. With billions of dollars in funding, they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible. OpenAI's commitment to ethical AI development sets them apart. They're acutely aware of the potential risks and are actively working to mitigate them. The future of AI is in good hands. Section 4. ChatGPT, is it free or not? The good news is that you can dip your toes into the world of ChatGPT without spending a dime. The basic version is completely free to use. Sign up for an account and you're ready to start chatting. But if you're craving more power and speed, ChatGPT Plus is calling your name. For a monthly subscription fee, you'll enjoy priority access, faster response times, and early access to new features. It's like upgrading from a rocket to a spaceship. For businesses looking to harness the power of ChatGPT, there are enterprise-level solutions with enhanced security and admin controls. OpenAI offers a range of pricing options to suit every need. Section 5. Unleashing the power of ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT is as easy as sending a text message. Simply type in your question or request, known as a prompt, and watch as ChatGPT works its magic. Need help writing a song? ChatGPT can compose a catchy tune. Struggling with a coding problem? ChatGPT can provide solutions in an instant. The possibilities are truly endless. ChatGPT can translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, answer your questions in an informative way, and even help you brainstorm ideas. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of language at your disposal. Remember, the key to unlocking ChatGPT's full potential lies in crafting effective prompts. Be clear, concise, and specific in your requests, and you'll be amazed by the results. Section 6. The dark side of AI, societal and security concerns. With great power comes great responsibility. While ChatGPT offers incredible potential, it's important to acknowledge the potential downsides. One concern is the potential for job displacement. As AI becomes more sophisticated, certain tasks that were once performed by humans could be automated. Another concern is the potential for misuse. ChatGPT could be used to generate fake news, spread misinformation, or even create harmful content. It's crucial to use this technology responsibly and ethically. OpenAI is well aware of these concerns and is actively working to address them. They've implemented safety measures to prevent misuse and are constantly working to improve the system's robustness. The future of AI depends on our collective responsibility. Section 7. ChatGPT and beyond. A glimpse into the future. ChatGPT is just the tip of the iceberg. As AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, we can expect even more powerful and versatile language models in the years to come. Imagine a world where AI can help us solve complex problems, unlock new scientific discoveries, and even enhance our creativity. But the future of AI is not predetermined. It's up to us to shape its trajectory. By embracing ethical principles, fostering collaboration, and promoting responsible innovation, we can ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. The future is bright, and ChatGPT is just the beginning of an incredible journey into the unknown.